The chi-square test is used to check the association between two variables. To perform it, click on Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Crosstabs, click on the variable whose information you need in the row. So education major on the rows, and loyalty, move it to the columns. Then click on Exit. Click on this Exit. I will let you know in the end that why I checked it. Then click on Statistics, click on chi-square, Continue, Cells, click on Observe, and then click on Continue, and then OK. So you got the result of the chi-square. Here you can see that the p-value associated with the asymptotic significance and the exact significance, both of them are less than 0.05. So it means that there is a very strong association between the education major and the membership of loyalty program of the students with a specific restaurant. Further, we will use the exact significance in those cases when we have the cell count less than 5. In this case, there is no cell value less than 5. So we will use asymptotic significance. Thanks a lot for watching the video.